can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go? Sing. All I really want is to be happy. Oh yeah. To find a love that's mine will be so sweet. Hey. All I really want is to be happy. I wanna be happy. Yeah, yeah, so sweet. I ask for a sign from a sweet Lord above. I know the answer is in front of me, but when you think of love, you only see what you want to see, and all I see is me for you and you for me. Oh, I cannot hide the way I feel inside. I don't know why, but every day I wanna cry. But if I give you one more try to these rules, please you will buy. And if I mean anything to you, would it make everything alright? All I really want is to be happy. To find a love that's mine, it will be so sweet. I said I wanna be happy. All I really want is to be happy. To find a love that's mine, it will be so sweet. Find a love that's mine. Oh, it'll be so fine. I wanna be happy. Yeah, it will be so sweet. It will be so sweet. Oh, is to be happy. We can be happy. I wanna be happy. So sweet. I just wanna be so happy. But the answer lies in me. I do believe that we can be happy. I said I wanna be happy. Yeah. Y'all let it breathe. Life is too short to be trying to play some games. Now take some time and think about if it's really worth losing me. Why must it be this way? Why do you have to play with my mind all the time? Help me sing it. All I really want is for me to be happy. Oh, just help me sing it. All I really want is for me to be